In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom goal tracker in ClickUp. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace. From anywhere in your account, head over to the inbox area. This gives you a clean starting point and makes it easy to move into the views and templates we're going to use. At the top of the screen, look for the main navigation and click on the highlighted area that opens up your view options and templates. From there, choose Templates. Templates are really powerful in ClickUp because they let you reuse structures that already work, instead of building everything from scratch every time. You'll see a list of available templates. Click on the highlighted template that's designed for goals or task tracking, then select Use Template. When the setup window opens, type in the name you want for this tracker. Choose something descriptive so you and your team instantly know what it's for. Once you've named it, click Use Template again to add it into your workspace. Now that your template is created, switch over to the board view. Board view is great for visual goal tracking because you can drag tasks between columns, like To Do, In Progress, and Complete. In this board, start adding tasks using the Add Task button. Each task can represent a specific goal, milestone, or sub-goal. Click Add Task again to create as many goals as you need, and repeat this for any major outcomes you want to track. Once you've created a few tasks, switch into List View. List View is perfect for seeing all your goals in one place, along with their fields like due dates, owners, and statuses. From there, move into the Table View. Table View gives you a spreadsheet-style layout, which is ideal for custom goal trackers because you can quickly compare dates, priorities, and progress. To track timing more effectively, click on View and choose Calendar. The calendar will show your tasks laid out by date, so you can see whether your goals are realistically spaced out and where any overlaps might happen. Next, open the team space where you want this tracker to live so your whole team can access it. Inside that team space, open the view options again and select the option that lets you see tasks by start and due date. This will give you a clear, timeline-focused look at all your goals, making it easy to monitor progress and adjust as needed. And that's how you create a custom goal tracker in ClickUp.